Hi guys, welcome back to our Texas homestead. Today I'm going to be making Blueberry Nectarine Feezer Jam, and it's in this ball book on page 44. And the nice one about this kind of jam is you don't have to cook it and you don't need any special equipment. You just need a microwave. So to start, we're going to take a glass pie pan and put a cup of blueberries in there. And then you're going to microwave it for 2 minutes. You're going to stir it often so they don't end up burning or something. So I'm just going to do it in 30-second intervals. So you got to peel and pit your nectarines. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 of them. It says you need 3 cups. So 7 of them will give me right about 3 cups. So I just cut it in half, twist it a little bit so it comes apart. And then the one that's got the pit in it, you gotta work it out a little bit. Just stir it a little bit and then do another 30 seconds. And they all came off easily except for this last one. But and then they peeled easily except for when it all kinds of falls apart, and just pick it off. And then you just chop it up pretty small. Just so you can get them so you can mash them easily. It said almost to a boil. Okay. So now you're going to get your bowl and you're going to add in 1.5 cups of sugar. Okay, and then we got to add 5 tablespoons of fruit pectin.
What kind are you using today?
Ball.
I thought that was a special one I had to get free. Oh, freezer pectin.
Yeah. It's freezer pectin or instant pectin. It's the same thing. I showed it to him.
Okay, making sure.
And then you're going to mix this together. Until well blended. Break up any clumps. And then we're going to add the nectarines. And then the blueberries are going to look like that when you take them out of the microwave.
After you smash them?
After you smash them. And then you're going to stir this up. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice. And then you stir it for 3 minutes. And then I had found these little plastic jars. They're freezer jars, but you can also just use regular glass jars. Either way should work. So in the book it says that this jam is delicious spooned over pound cake, angel food cake, or slathered on bread. So would you rather have angel food cake or pound cake?
Probably angel food.
So maybe we'll make an angel food cake tomorrow. You can feel it starting to thicken up too. Longer on the top. A minute.
Now what are these?
Freezer jars.
Do they have to have these, or can you get something else?
No, they can put them in just regular glass jars.
You need a ball freezer jar?
Yeah.
Less chance for those to break.
Yep.
So when did you buy those, little lady?
At the state sale a couple
Oh, did
months
you?
ago. Yeah. We've got a whole bunch of boxes of jars, and those were in there. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes. It says to fill the jars, leaving ½ inch headspace. Which one says ½ inch? This one? Okay. So ½ inch in these little freezer jars is right at the bottom of the rim.
Middle one.
So. They're right about like that.
Looks good.
And this recipe should make 5 8-ounce jars. That's what it says. That one's a little full. So we got 4 and like a little more than half, but I never get the amount they say you're going to.
I mean, a lot of that depends on how much juice is in each berry and
Yeah.
the nectarines and everything else. There's a lot to it of making up the exact amounts.
So I'm just cleaning these off so they're not so sticky in the freezer. And you just put your lids on, nothing special. And the nice thing about these is they stack up. They have a little indentation, so they stack up nice.
If I can find them, I'll put a link down in the description to, if y'all are interested in getting them, they'll be in the description.
And so then they're going to sit on the counter for 30 minutes to thicken up. And then they can stay in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks or their freezer for up to a year. So, let us know what you think if you're going to try it. Hope you like it, and we'll see you next time.